Hello children! Today we're going to read the long U sound. U. Let's read the words that end with U sound. U. K. U. K. U. Q. Q. B. U. B. U. Blue. Blue. Girl. U. Girl. U. Glue. Glue. Let's read the words that end with youth sound. Youth. K. Youth. K. Youth. Cute. Cute. M. Youth. M. Youth. Mute. Mute. F. Youth. F. Youth. Flute. Flute. Let's read the words that end with yub sound. Yub. Yub. T. Yub. T. Yub. Tube. Tube. K. Yub. K. Yub. Cube. Cube. Let's read the words that end with yun sound. Yun. J. Yun. J. Yun. June. June. T. Yun. T. Yun. Tune. Tune. Let's read the words that end with your sound. Your. K. Your. K. Your. Cure. Cure. P. Your. P. Your. Pure. Pure. Yule sound. Yule. Yule. M. Yule. M. Yule. Mule. Mule. Yule. Yule. Rule. Rule. Ooze. Ooze. M. Ooze. M. Ooze. Moose. Moose. G. Ooze. G. Ooze. Goose. Goose. Owl. Owl. K. Owl. K. Owl. Cool. Cool. P. Owl. P. Owl. Pole. Pole. Let's read more examples. Tool. tool. School, school. Let's read the words that end with oot sound. Oot. T, oot, t, oot, tooth, tooth. B, oot, b, oot, boot, boot. Some words with long U sound end with AW, as in U sound. U. For example, B, U, B, U, blue, blue. N, U, N, U, new, new. P, U, P, U, pew, pew. Ch, U, ch, U, chew, chew. F, U, F, U, flew, flew. Good job, children!